is very well regulated as far as that field is concerned, but it says this is not sufficient, I want to do something else which is on the periphery, and I can operate on the periphery only if my regulator were to take me and handhold it with another regulatory regime. Because I'm saying if we can achieve somehow convergence at the last mile, where a distributor who sits between the service provider and the guy who's going to consume, and this service provider actually has no identity of an industry. He is an independent service provider. Can he wear multiple caps and distribute this product? And if he were to distribute the product, and if we can create this category, today this category doesn't exist. We have people wearing caps of bankers, people wearing cap of insurance agents, people wearing caps of stockbrokers, and if they have to go and move into another area, they have to equip as much as someone who is from that industry, and I think this is taking its toll. Because, it's not easy, to scale up. I'm just saying, examination being one. How many people would take that 100-hour test? How many people would pass this exam? And in which language would they pass? Many of the tests are not conducted in all the languages. And we're talking of India being reached with English as the medium. So I think it's a challenge. So I think if we were to, stop looking at this and we look at any other sector, we find out in any other sector, everything reaches the last mile without any debate anywhere. We create infrastructure and network for every consumable to the last mile. Only when it comes to financial services, we reach,